Snoring often occurs when you sleep on your back. When lying on your back, the lower jaw and tongue can slide back into the throat area and constrict or block the airways. The SomniShop addresses the most common cause of snoring, the supine position. Thanks to a cushion that is inserted into the back of the shirt prevents you from sleeping on your back. Instead, it prompts you to sleep on your side. There are two different cushions to choose from. The first is a hard foam roll, which is integrated into the SomniShop standard, whereas with the SomniShop Comfort, an inflatable cushion serves to prevent you from rolling onto your back. Inflate the cushion until it is firm and insert it into the opening provided in the t-shirt. Both models are suitable for people of average weight and slightly overweight people. If you are very overweight, you should choose either the Nachtwächter vest or the RLV vest. SomniShop is made from 100% pure cotton and is therefore comfortable to wear. It is machine washable, however you must remove the cushion before washing it. With the help of the SomniShop, you can train yourself to sleep on your side. As a result of the training effect, many users report that they sleep on their side without the cushioning on the back after only a few months. The SomniShop is available in 6 different unisex sizes. Thanks to the size advisor on the somnishop.net website, you are easily able to find the right size t-shirt.